Hello everyone. Today I am going to share my all-time favorite pepper chicken recipe with you, which is so quick and easy dinner that will keep you coming back for more. And the key to this delicious aromatic dish is the freshly ground pepper, which brings a mild heat to the dish. We'll start by crushing ginger garlic to make around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And then we'll start marinating our chicken with 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, black pepper, salt to taste, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix it very nicely and set it aside until we use it. Now we will finely chop 2 medium-sized onions. Now we'll melt 2 tablespoons of clarified butter in a wok on medium heat and add chopped onions to it and saute it until it changes color to pink and turns translucent and soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook it until the raw smell goes off. Now remove the onions and ginger garlic mixture in a plate to cool down a bit, and then we'll make its paste in a blender. Now in the same wok, add some butter and we'll start cooking our marinated chicken. We'll cook the chicken until it is no longer pink on the inside. Flip sides in between, and when done, remove from heat and finish cooking the remaining batch of chicken. Now blend together the onions and ginger garlic to make smooth paste and add it to the same wok in which we cooked our chicken. Now rinse out remaining mixture from blender by adding some water. Cook it until it starts boiling, and then we'll start adding the chicken pieces to it. Add 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves and cook it covered for 10 minutes. And then we'll add salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in the end to enhance the taste and give that final touch to the gravy. Our chicken is ready. Serve hot with naan or chapati, and do tell me how it turned out in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.